Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Sir, I was trying to ask, for tomorrow, you should attempt part A or part B first. Any suggestion on that? Or anything is
Attempt
okay?
reading
I'm,
time. Reading time. Read the section B first. Reading time. Utilize for section B first,
okay.
and then go for section A. Don't start from section A in reading time. Always start from section B.
Okay.
And
Part of
attempt
section
attempt.
B.
Attempt section A.
Section A first.
Huh.
Okay.
Reading
And
time. Yes.
reading time,
Reading time always starts from section B.
section B. Okay.
Section B. Always.
And
Writing time start from section A from MCQ and not coming. Suppose not getting any answer, don't keep more than 2 minutes for thinking for any particular question. They have to jump for the next question,
next question. Okay.
and in the last they have to come to the same question and solve it.
Okay. And in terms of time management, how much time we have to give it to MC?
See, MCQ is maximum 40 minutes, 30 to 40
MCQ
minutes, 30 to
30
40
to
minutes
40
for
minutes.
MCQ.
Okay.
And question number one and question number two total is 1. Means total paper, the section A, they have to complete in 1 hour 30 minutes. Less than 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour, because total 3 hours paper. And section A only takes more time.
Section A takes more time because when
Because there is a more MCQ, because 13 questions and 13 and 6,
15 questions are there
13 and
MCQ.
6, 19 questions are there. Out of 30 to 19, 19 questions are there in section A only.
No, we have got 15 MCQs, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
So we have got 15 MCQs and then
And 6 questions.
question
6
2,
long
six,
questions. 6
six
and
questions.
all the questions are long, 4 marks and 4 and 5 marks.
Correct, correct. So it is 40 marks
Yes,
there.
yes, yes, yes. If suppose you
And
want to attempt section B now, he can attempt section B first. Why? Because now in section B, suppose he will attempt now, so he get more confidence because there is a lot of choice. So
okay.
their mind will not going to be panic.
Got it. Got it.
Their mind is not going to be panic. Why? Because the section B having lot of choices. Suppose some question is not getting, so he has a choice and he can solve. And whatever the sum he can solve it over there, then all the time whatever the balance. Suppose he completes the section B in 1 hour, then complete 2 hours he can utilize for section B. So if suppose he start from section B, there is no problem. But don't read section A anyhow when he pick up the paper.